Puijonsarventie 59 in Julkula, Kuopio.
I was of interest to here.
Yeah.
They're very exceptional.
Yeah.
Fast and original, and 1958 and amp indicators.
Yeah. 87704.
I think it's 05 in this XT.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, if you want to see the forkage from here, maybe you can see.
Yeah.
So, see which ones are working.
Yeah.
Did all of them work?
Yeah.
Great.
Three per shot, 240 kilograms.
Actually, 4% sorting.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's bigger. That's why it's so exceptional. So it's bigger.
Yeah.
They really put effort here.
Yeah.
They were thinking about the weights here.
Yeah.
So they did. It will be inspected in 2023. This has been inspected in February this year.
Yeah. Inspekteet kaikki vain tärmeenteet pois Suomessa seuraavan kautta.
Yeah. It was maybe finished in late 1958.
Yeah.
So rare.
Yeah.
I mean, also Finland's and heritage elevators, they are filmed this
Yeah.
because of the lamp indicators, and they're very amazing.
Yeah.
Instead of a mechanical, it's a lamp indicator.
Yeah.
Not so many buildings in Finland actually ordered them in the 1950s.
Yeah.
It's not very common. And especially not in normal residential buildings.
That